This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the bonnet slightly, then pull the safety catch lever and fully open the bonnet. Unclip the safety prop from the slam panel and engage the end with the holes on the bonnet underside. Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the door sill flange, then raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the reinforced section of the sill flange. Undo the 3 Torx screws and remove the fixing strip at the front of the undertray. Remove the Torx screws at the front edge of the undertray and the screw each side. The undertray is now secured by 3 Torx screws at the rear edge. Undo the screws and withdraw the tray from under the vehicle. The coolant expansion tank and filler cap are located on the right-hand side of the engine compartment. Unscrew the filler cap. Place a suitable container beneath the radiator drain tap. Attach a length of hose to the tap outlet port, then unscrew the tap a couple of turns and allow the coolant to drain into the container. Once the coolant has finished draining, close the tap and remove the hose. Remove the container from beneath the vehicle. Manoeuvre the undertray into position under the vehicle, noting how it overlaps with part of the front subframe. Refit the rear and side retaining screws then tighten them securely. Secure the front edge of the undertray. Engage the lugs of the fixing strip with the radiator undertray, then insert the screws and tighten them securely. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Prepare a 50-50 mixture of antifreeze and water. Using a funnel to reduce spillage, add the coolant to the expansion tank to bring the level up to the max mark on the side of the tank. Cover the tank opening to prevent splashing. Set the heater controls to maximum heat, then start the engine and run it at 2,500 revs per minute for 2 minutes. Add coolant as necessary to bring the level to the max mark. Refit the filler cap Then bring the engine to normal operating temperature. Run the engine briefly at 4,000 revs per minute, then 2,500 revs per minute for 3 minutes. Allow the engine to cool completely, then recheck the coolant level. Detach the end of the prop from the bonnet and clip it into place on the slam panel. Close the bonnet firmly and check it's secure.